Normally, if you see this particular question, you go want tough, but it is very simple. You go think first by inspection. Which number we go carry replace this x, so that if you add this one and this one, it will give you 25. Think and pause, just pause the video, think am. Which number wey you go think wey be say if I put for this x and check 5 raised to the power of that number, e go give me answer. If I do the same thing here, if I come add this one and this one, e go give me 50. Now which number? Check among this option. Now the best way be that since they give you option, the best way now to use option. You know, see if you carry 5 put here, 5 raised to the power of 5 na big number o. 5 raised to the power of 5 means 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5, like 5 times. 5 times 5 na 25. Na 25. If 25 come times 5 sef na big number, e don become about 125 or something. I no fit check, but just confirm am. Because 5 times 5, 5 times 5 na 10. Abi na 25. 5 times 5 na 25 o. You write 5, carry 2. 5 times 2 na 10, plus that 2, 12. 125. Are they correct? 125 already for only one side don pass 50. So wetin be the best option? See what you go do. Choose the second number, na im small pass. Because if you choose 25 or 10, it dey even go more higher. So by inspection, if you put 2 here plus 2 here, 5 squared will give us 25, plus 5 squared 25. 25 plus 25 will give us this 50. But how I want to solve this problem to get this answer? Now we know say the option na 2. How I want to solve am? E dey very simple. You go ask yourself, how many 5 wey there? 5 to the power of x. These 2 resemble. How many of them dey there? Are just 2. 2 5 to the power of x, na we get. 2 5 to the power of x, na we get. Equate am to 50. Now, you dey find this x, so divide both sides by this 2 to remove that 2. This one and this one will cancel. 5 to the power of x now will be equal to 50 divided by 2 will give us 25. Now, another wahala be this. I no need to use log here. Now, just to come here say, okay, since we get 5 to the 25 here, if you replace am with 5 to the power of 2, after all, 5 to the power of 2 na 25. So that when the base dey the same, equate the power, x now equal to 2. That be the solution to this particular problem. It's as I explained am, e dey simple, abi. If you know say na the first time wey dey meet my channel be this, my name na Instructor Alison, wey dey teach math and science for Pidgin English. I dey simplify all these things, both math, physics, chemistry. Like this particular video, try share this video so that you go see say other students wey no know the answer go come begin know am. Then if you no follow me and turn on the bell icon, you no go see my page again. And again, if you no dey see my video again, so hit the subscribe button now, turn on the notification bell, so whenever I upload new video, you will receive notification. And now you will be the first person I go live for you. So peace and love. Make you see for the next video.